Hey there, hello all. So today a bit technical, but we're going to learn how to create your custom domain. If you have your website, you can always create a customized email. Like I have my website as ratchetcity.com, and if I would like to make a email ID like support@ratchetcity.com or connect@ratchetcity.com, I can simply make it. And today I'm going to tell you about how to make this possible, and once you create the email account, how you can synchronize with your Gmail. So again, you can use all the Gmail features here using your custom email account. So let's get started. I have logged into my Bluehost account. As you can see on the screen, there's a Bluehost account. You have to go to the icon called email and office. So in the email and office, we can simply go to the last option, email only. Set up basic email connected with your domain. See options. So we are here on this page. Now it is giving me the option email, enter an account name, domain. So as I have got 3 domains on Bluehost, I'll be going and clicking the ratchetcity.com domain. So I want the email ID at my website ratchetcity.com. How to go it like so I'll make a ID like connect@ratchetcity.com. Fine, perfectly fine. I'm required to keep a password to it. So let's make a password. So password, I put a password here, again a password, just a moment. So the password has been set, the email has been set. Now at the bottom you should select unlimited. Don't select the 500 MB quota, select unlimited and create account. So once the account is created, you will receive a success message, account connect@ratchetcity.com created. Let's view this. So as you see, the new email ID default, whatever, the customized email ID connect@ratchetcity.com is ready. Now the next step we have to take is we have to go to this option called connect devices. You go to this page and you get another tab called setup mail client. So we have to go to this option, setup mail client. Set a mail client for connect@ratchetcity.com. Another new page has come up. Now mail for Windows 10, Microsoft Outlook, these are all pre-configured. You can simply use whatever settings are given below. Now we are more interested into the setting up of this particular account with our Gmail system. So how to do it? Okay, so now can you see this box, secure SSL/TLS settings recommended? This contains every information what we need. So okay, time to move on. Now let's go and configure this particular customer's domain and just synchronize it with the Gmail. You've seen 2 things, incoming server and outgoing server. So whenever there is a POP3 written, we'll use the incoming one, and wherever it is written SMTP, we'll use the outgoing one, because that's the terminology Gmail uses. So let me open another browser, Chrome browser. Let me open. So here we are, the Google page. In case you have got other Gmail accounts also, no problem, it will reflect. But what we need to do here to connect our custom domain with Gmail and use in the Gmail platform, we need to create another account. So use another account. It's asking for email. No, we have to create a new account here. Let's create. So you have to enter your first name, whatever the display name you want in your custom email ID. So here's the one. So Rachit Sethi, I put in my name @gmail.com. I have to select, I have to do one name, so I'll say connect Rachit Sethi @gmail.com. It's working, it's available. Fine, perfect. confirm. Okay, next. So what you're going to do is we are creating a new Gmail account right now. Phone number is a number for account security. It will not be able to be fine, perfectly fine. So you fill up the second page requisite details and so agree to all the conditions. So basically you will be ready with a new Gmail account, but we have to use our custom domain account. So here we are in the new email account. There's a welcome mail by Gmail. It's perfectly fine. Choose a view. It's okay. So we got a mail, welcome mail from Gmail. But of course, as I say, we have to use some other mail. So what to do? Go to hit the settings option. So under the settings option, we need to go to accounts and import this option. Here we are getting, so we'll have to connect as add another email address like this. So your name will come, no problems, and we have to add as connect@rajatsethi.com. Next step. Now it's asking for SMTP server username and a password. Username again would be connect@rajatsethi.com. You have to go for the secured connection using SSL. Password, you know what is the password. Okay. Now SMTP server mail.rajatsethi.com, port 587. Let me see what is the settings in the other this. So this is port is 465, mail.rajatsethi.com, port is 465. So go here, change the port to 465, add account. Done, perfectly fine. So congratulations, we have successfully located the other server and verified credential. Just one more step. An email with the confirmation code was sent at this ID. To add your email address, do one of the following. Click on the link in the confirmation mail or enter and verify the confirmation code. Okay, let's see, where is the mail? So it's asking me for entering a confirmation code which Gmail has sent to my newly created email ID connect@rajatsethi.com. So how to go? Go back to the Bluehost page. Right. So under this, the option called email application setup, we can access webmail. Because we have not set up the email on any other like Outlook or something, so we need to go and use any webmail server to access this particular code which the Gmail is asking for. So what I'm doing is I'm logging into the webmail option. So now you got options like you can use Hode, you can use Roundcube, you can use Squirrel Mail. So maybe we can use Roundcube. See, the main objective right now is to retrieve that particular link. So here we are, we logged in using Roundcube. Perfect. So what we've done, Gmail confirmation, send mail as connect@rajatsethi.com. Gmail team, just click on this email. Let's see what's the message. Perfect. You have requested to add this to your Gmail account. Confirmation code is this particular code. Copy this code from here. Go and paste it here. Verify. And that particular thing is done. Go back here. Okay, so what we have done, we have configured that email ID. Go back to settings, back to accounts and imports. So you can see here, send Gmail as this, there are two things coming in. So what we'll do, we'll choose the new email ID connect@rajatsethi.com and make it as a default, like this. Default, perfect. Let's come back to the inbox. Now what I'm going to do is I'll be sending an email, I'll be receiving an email. Let's see how it looks like. Compose. When I'm composing an email, see, yes, when I'm composing the email, it says from Rachit Sethi, connect at rachitsethi.com. I'll just send it to my other email ID. Hi, nice job. Sent. Fine. Now let's go to the other browser and access this particular mail of mine. So I have opened my other Gmail account and it says the first mail is Rachit Sethi, hi, nice job. Let's open this up. So this is the email, connect at rachitsethi.com, nice job. Mail aa chuki hai, nice job. Let's reply this mail. Reply. Thank you. Send button. It has not arrived yet. So some point maybe missing again. Let's go back to the settings page. Yes. So we when we have sent in the message, the email has reached to the recipient, but when the recipient has replied back, it has not come to the Gmail account. Why? When we first set up and imported the account, we have set up the SMTP settings as the outgoing mail server settings were done. Now we need to configure the incoming mail server as well. So on the same page, check mail from other accounts. Yes, you need to add this email account. Same kind of a page, same kind of an activity you have to do. Connect, import mails, yes. Okay, now it says, so it becomes my username at connect rachitsethi.com, whatever the password I have kept. Pop server and port, just wait. We'll come to the Bluehost account, this one, and our configuration box. Incoming service is mail.rachit.com. The POP3 port is 995. So what we need to connect is drop down 9 and 5. So you want to leave a copy or retrieve message on the server, always SSL when retrieving an email. Yes, of course, yes. Label incoming messages or leaving copy and retrieve on the server if you want. Okay, then add account. Add account. It's done. We'll go back again, same mail, we'll reply now. Hello, nice job. Sent. Sending. So here we got the email. So what we need to do essentially was there were two settings, SMTP and POP. Recapping the things, you can just click on the gear icon, settings option, accounts and import. What I would suggest is you can directly go check mail from the other accounts, add an email account, and simply step follow the process. So congratulations, incoming, outgoing, both the things have been configured with Gmail. Your own personalized domain ID is now synchronized with Gmail. Congratulations.